Here we are on Friday afternoon. If you're thinking, oh, what can I do this weekend? Well, I give you a suggestion or two coming up later in the hour, but enjoy the warm weather today. Dina laughing at me. You know what, I'm going to be buying me something for Black Friday, so that's one clue there. But warm today. A weak cold front comes in this evening, not like some of the stronger fronts we've had over the last few weeks where all of a sudden the temperature goes way down and stays chilly all weekend. This one will take us mainly from the 80s a day into about the low to mid 70s for highs tomorrow, maybe still in the 70s in many areas on Sunday. So a nice comfortable weekend. I think I was mentioning earlier in this week, I think this will be 5 weekends in a row where the humidity's been down and the weather's been nice. So get outside and enjoy it. Not as much wind today. A couple of spots getting a little bit of a gust. You see about 20 miles per hour or so in Cameron County and 18 miles per hour with the gust in Rio Grande City, but not nearly as windy as the last couple of days. Temperatures are on their way up, but the clouds are increasing too. So we're already in the 80s in many areas. The warm spot, 86, where it is sunnier in the lower valley, but clouds are kind of thickening from west to east. So you see it's only 76 in Rio Grande City. But even with the clouds coming in, not much rain today. You might see a little sprinkle or a light rain shower after about 4 p.m. through this evening, as you see on Future Track. But that weak cold front comes in by around sunset or so, and once it crosses the area, it might have enough punch to it to kick up a very quick little shower, but the best chance of that is in the evening. So most football games, most outdoor plans should be dry. Just, check the KRGB weather app. It's not on this remote control, but on your cell phone to see if there is a little shower this evening. After that, it's probably smooth sailing for the weekend. There may be some clouds around early Saturday morning, but I think the sunshine will gradually break through by afternoon. This computer model run is showing the sun taking a little longer to come through, but I think the morning could be cloudy on Saturday and then getting progressively more sunnier by afternoon. And then as we get toward Sunday, looking for nothing but sunshine, probably out of Saturday and Sunday if you had to pick a winner there. If you love sunshine, probably go with Sunday, but Saturday might be the cooler of the day. Both days are looking pretty nice. Now we're going into the future, jumping ahead to next Wednesday. If you have travel plans around Thanksgiving, there may be a few showers in parts of central northern Texas. I think we'll miss nearly all of the rain. There's a very small chance of a shower here on Thanksgiving, but if you look at the computer model here, this is using the European model. Thanksgiving Day, again, some showers mainly to the north. We'll probably stay dry here and also probably on the warm side, and including Black Friday. Here's 5 a.m. when you should be out finding something nice for me at 5 in the morning at the stores. Warm and humid. And we'll show you the specific Black Friday forecast later. But Friday overall still looks like a warm day. The next storm system, which is out here to the west next week, could make it pretty wet across California, Arizona, places in the southwest. So if you have travel plans going that way toward Thanksgiving and next weekend, definitely keep an eye on the weather. But most of South Texas weather is looking pretty quiet. And again, we're jumping ahead to next Wednesday now when temperatures warm right back up after the cold front this weekend. Mid to upper 80s expected by Wednesday afternoon. We could be getting close to some record highs late next week. That's how warm it's going to be. And then Thursday morning, if you're up early for Thanksgiving, still in the 70s, back in the 80s on Thanksgiving afternoon. You see the cold air or the cooler air is to the north, but probably not going to make it down here. So if you are traveling across central and northern Texas, it will be a little cooler for Thanksgiving, but no really, really cold air on the map. And then for Friday, Black Friday shopping day, still very warm and muggy in the morning and back in the 80s in the afternoon. So you get the idea. It is a warm weather pattern and fairly quiet weather pattern for us next week. So the turkey probably won't be that excited once it's cooked, but 86, the high expected on Thanksgiving. You do the little turkey dance there where it's like you shake and then you do a couple hops and then do a couple wings. It was what? It was pardoned. Oh, yeah, this is a turkey got pardoned. Lucky turkey. And your first Warren 5 7-day forecast. I don't know why I'm such in a good mood on this Friday, but it's Friday, and here we go for the weekend. Remember, a weak cold front comes through this evening. Only a small chance of a shower this evening. The weekend, though, looks very nice. Kind of cloudy Saturday morning, but the sun gradually breaking through. It says few AM showers there on Saturday, but we're talking maybe a sprinkle before sunrise. And then Sunday looks like sunny all day, not much wind, low humidity. About a 9.99 out of 10 for Sunday for if you're rating it. And then Monday and Tuesday, the humidity and warm temperatures start to gradually return. And then for Thanksgiving, we're still quite warm in the 80s with a lot of humidity and some muggy mornings next week. We'll keep tracking your travel weather and Thanksgiving weather in your first Warren 5 forecast here coming up. Dina?